If you get pain in your shoulder while you're doing shoulder press, it's probably your form. But the first thing we're gonna do is a little test to figure out if you even should be doing shoulder press in the first place. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna be standing about maybe a foot away from the wall. You're gonna fall back into the wall, kind of sit down a little bit into your knees, so have your knees slightly bent, and then you're gonna tuck your tailbone and drive your lower back into the wall. So your lower back should be fully pressed into the wall. From here, you're also gonna have your head touching the wall as well. You're gonna keep your arms straight, and then from here, you're gonna be reaching up to go touch the wall. So if you can touch the wall with at least your thumbs, then that means that you're safe to do a shoulder press. But what ends up happening is people, when they drive their lower back into the wall, because their upper body posture is so rounded, they end up rounding off the wall like this, and they can't even reach their head back to the wall. And then when they lift their arms up, it only gets partially of the way there. So if you have something like this, and even a minor one where, let's say, your head can't touch the wall, but you're getting pretty close like this, you probably shouldn't be doing shoulder press until you fix these issues. And a lot of these issues stem from tight lats and also tight shoulders. So the best way to fix it is to stretch out those lats on a daily basis until you're able to reach back and touch the wall. Now, if you failed that test, it's not the end of the world. All you have to do is just work around it, and you can still end up pressing. All you have to do is just put a bench on an incline. Even a high incline is gonna still train your shoulders in a similar way, and this would be totally fine. As you stretch your lats and increase that mobility in your shoulders, you can bring the bench more and more vertical until you're doing a shoulder press. One of the best ways to fix your shoulder press is to make sure that your wrist is stacked over your elbow the entire time while you're pressing. So the whole time, even when it gets all the way to the bottom, it's still stacked vertically over the elbow. This is gonna keep your shoulder safe automatically because the common fault is that it falls forward this way. Even a little bit is not good. But also at the same time, some people overemphasize it and end up falling back too much this way. But more common is, of course, falling forward. So make sure that the wrist is stacked over the wrist the entire time. Now, another mistake is people end up going too far back here and arching their back. And this will also cause shoulder issues as well. And it actually doesn't even train the shoulder that well. You end up targeting too much of the anterior delts and a little bit of the pec minor and the pecs. So it's much safer for you to keep the rib cage down, stay braced with your core, keep your elbows slightly forward, and the wrist stacked over the elbow. So those are the tips that we have for your shoulder press. Start with the test, see if you're suited to do the shoulder press, and then make these small tweaks and it's gonna feel so much better. If you like this video, leave us a like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.